So when we look into the organizations we work together with, what we have been seeing over the last decade is that the amount of data has been increasing tremendously, right? So it's really hard to kind of keep control of your data. Um, that problem, the industry is trying to solve that problem, but also what increased together with the data is the amount of systems. So that can be either SaaS applications, right? So I don't know. I think every organization these days has hundreds of SaaS applications, right? So there is really one SaaS application for every single use case, right? And you want to take advantage of them, right? So you buy them, and that kind of makes sense. But that also increases just the number of interfaces and the number of points where your data can get in and can get out. So how do you really make sure that the data is in all these systems present, that there is the correct data, that you govern the data correctly? Maybe this system is not allowed to have that type of data. All these kind of things you need to take into consideration. And that is where a lot of companies are struggling, because the speed or pace at that they buy these new applications, SaaS applications, or add their own applications, right? They can also be built in-house. That's then where the struggle begins. Like, hey, we didn't think about all the integration, right? So how are we going to solve that issue? So that's where we see a lot of companies struggling, just because of the amount of systems and data has been, grown so fast over the last couple of years.